on this snowy morning. I am currently at Walgreens and I am excited to share the deals with you guys this week. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome. I'm here to give you guys my bright enthusiasm, my high on life, I don't drink coffee, mind, so you guys can get excited to go shopping at Walgreens. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I would love it if I hit 60,000 subscribers before the new year. I'm like 600 away. If you guys could help me, that would be awesome. But we're at Walgreens right now and I'm excited to share with you guys some deal. There's a gift card deal that a lot of you guys are always asking about, so I'll share with you that. There's some pretty decent deals, but a lot of them are repeat deals. That's just the way things are gonna be. But I do have good news for you guys. If you guys are a CVS watcher, which I haven't done in a year, I will be going back to CVS starting the new year. They're gonna be doing it bi-weekly, and I'm actually kind of excited for that because then I can still get my other stuff done, plus I will be going back to Walgreens. So I'm like 75% positive I will be doing CVS over the new year, so you guys will definitely want to make sure you check that out. So let's go inside and have some fun. What I do is I share with you guys all the deals in the store. I walk around the store, share with you that, and then I come back and share with you with my haul, any questions, comments, concerns that I have. But let's go inside and have some fun. So here's a deal that I was just informed of for the candles. These are all on sale for 50% off. So if you're looking for some deals on candles, again, 50% off. These are like $6.50. These are $5.50, $5.50, $5.50. These little baby ones are just $2. We also have the melts for $1.50. They have some plain basic ones for $1.25, $3.50. They also have the flameless ones for $3.50 if you guys want those. She said that all these are on sale, but they got these like nice little wooden cover ones for $6.50. These are gonna be like $2. These are $5. These are $5, so definitely a great deal if you guys. $6.50 if you need some candles. These are on sale, I think, too. But yeah, awesome deal for candles. So my store has a ton of makeup on clearance. I mean, they got Essie, a lot of that's like $5.99. We got a lot of Sally Hansen. It looks like they might be discontinuing the Pixie or something like that. My store has not had it in stock very long, but all the Pixies like on clearance. They have tons of Neutrogena on clearance, some Rimmel on clearance. And then we're looking at, what's it, Milani, and then I see a ton of Revlon, all on clearance, you guys. Like, it's crazy. Here we got CoverGirl, a ton of it on clearance. Maybelline, I mean, it's just everywhere. And then I see L'Oreal's got a lot of stuff too, so make sure you're checking out, see if there's any Ibotta deals. But definitely an awesome deal. So make sure you guys are checking out the Soap and Glory. A lot of this stuff is 50% off this week, like this one right here. So this one would be $20. And then we have a $4 off digital coupon. So you guys could get this for basically $16 if you wanted. And there's 6 items in it. It says it's a $49 value. So if you guys are interested in that, there's definitely do that. I think you can see what items are included in here. They have some items like this one right here is $20, so it makes it $10. I think my app's showing it's cheap. It's not $10, but there's a $4 off coupon for that. So definitely check out these items. So here we have some of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $5. We have some toothpaste for $5. We have some dental picks for $5, and then we also have the mouthwash for $5. You're gonna buy, mix and match whatever you want for $5. You're gonna make sure you get the ones that are on the sale. My store does not have them tagged, but you can go to the ad and you'll see. But we currently have this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You will just pay, you'll buy 3 of them, you will pay $10 for the 3 of them, but then they have this deal where you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 items, making them just $5 or $1.67 each, which is an awesome deal. If you guys need Fix-It-Int, I know this deal is included if you guys need that, but definitely a decent deal if you want to get it. I'm gonna actually get mouthwash because I have a ton of toothpaste and toothbrushes, so why not get mouthwash? We have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $4.50. You're going to use a $2.50 digital coupon. Then you can either get a toothbrush for $4.50 or you can get the mouthwash for $4.50. My store only carries that one, but you will use the other $2.50 off digital coupon. Together you guys will end up paying just $4 for the two of them. But you will receive a $3 register reward, making it just $1 or 50 cents each. I feel like Colgate's going to be very rare to get for free these days, but definitely a decent deal. So here we have the Degree for $4.49, along with the women's for $4.49. They're buy one get one 50% off. Buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $6.73 for two of them, but you do receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the two, making them just $2.73 or $1.36 each, which is a great deal. I have a deal with Fetch Rewards. If you spend $15, you get $2.50 back. So great deal for that. If you're interested with that, you do have to get them in separate transactions to do the spend 15 deal because it's a separate register reward, but decent deal if you guys need that. Okay, so my store already has Christmas stuff on clearance, and it looks like some of them are like a lot, but anyways, these are also going to be buy one get one 50% off. So like right here it's $10.39, but it's also buy one get one 50% off. Here's some cute little like dog mugs, which I know Gina would love this, but their socks are gone. But well, they got some cat socks, but look at that, a dog frame for $8.99. But look at all this stuff is buy one get one 50% off, so definitely check out your stuff. So here's a deal for Mountain Dew or Starry. So these are $9.49, but they're buy two get two free. So altogether you would pay $18.98, if you can say that, $18.98 for four packs, okay? But we currently have where you get $1.50 back with the Mountain Dew, and then you also get $1.50 back with the Starry. So you end up getting like $6 back if you do that. So that comes out to be just $12.98 or $3.24 each. If you guys need that, I'm gonna actually go to Pick and Save later today, and that might be a better deal with that. But if you guys need some Mountain Dew, now we do have a 3 off of 5 digital coupon, but I don't think it's gonna work for the free items. But you could submit your receipt to like the Shopium, but you will have to get another item. But still, it could even be a better deal if you guys are interested with that. The Walgreens Baggies are on sale this week, all for $2.79. They are currently buy one, you get two free. That comes out to be just $2.79 or just 93 cents each. If you are a person that loves giving away like little trail mix things, we have some of these items on sale this week for $1.78. We also have some nuts for $3.99. They have some other ones for buy one get one free. Pistachios, $3.99, but definitely a great deal for the trail mix for $1.78. So here we have the Dawn dish soap for $1.24 and the Gain for $1.99. To do this deal, you do need to do them in separate transactions if you want to do the register reward deal. So here you can get 2 of the Dawn dish soaps for $1.24. You will pay $2.48, but there is a $1 register reward that you will receive when you purchase the 2, making them just $1.48 or 74 cents. Now if you want to do the Gain, you have to do it in a separate transaction, but you can get 1 Gain and 1 Dawn if you want to do that. But here you can get 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $1.99. You would pay $3.98. You would get that $1 register reward, making it $2.98 or just $1.49 each. So here we have the larger bottles of the Arm & Hammer for $8.99 on sale, but we currently have a $3 Ibotta rebate. You would just get this for $5.99, which I think is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some Arm & Hammer. Otherwise, you can get the smaller bottles, these are just baby bottles, of the Arm & Hammer for $7.49 at buy one, get two free. So you'll basically get that, all three of them for $7.49, or those are just $2.49 each. Now if you think about it, this is 21 loads. So right there, if you get three of them, that's 63 loads right there for $7.49. Or you can get a big one for 77 loads for $5.99. So this is the better deal. Otherwise, this one's 105 loads for, again, $5.99. So here's a gift card deal that everybody likes doing. We have the Walgreens deal where if you buy any of the Ace Hardware, Bass Pro Shops, Cabela's, Delta Airlines, Domino's, Fanatics, H&M, or a $50 eShop gift card, you will receive a $10 Walgreens gift card. So it looks like the Domino's one is a minimum of $15. If you're looking at that one, they also have Cabela's, which I'm not seeing right now, but Fanatics, it looks like it's $25. Bass Pro Shop is $25. H&M might be $25, but you basically could buy a $30 worth, 2 gift cards, pay $30 for the Domino's, you'll get that $10 Walgreens gift card, making it a $40 value for just $30. Awesome deal. Hello, you guys. It is still like a crappy day outside. It's just, the plows are going behind me right now, but that is okay. So I'm here to share with you guys what I went and got at Walgreens. I didn't go crazy. Number one, I have so much dish soap, it's ridiculous, but that was an awesome deal that I wanted to do. I have so many of the baggies I don't need anymore, but the gift cards, I really don't use a lot of those. I don't really shop at a lot of those places. There's a tow truck like backing up beside me, and I just want to make sure he doesn't hit me. I wanted to get the Febreze. Now Febreze has it where it's $3.29, but they had a $2 off digital coupon, but it was for the Christmas scents, and my store didn't have any. But that would have been a better deal. But if you guys have that, there's a $2 off digital coupon, and then you also get a $1 register reward if your store has that. But we're gonna just dig in, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the big thing of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, $8.99 on sale, but then there's that $3 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5, making this $5.99. This is a hot deal, you guys. This is better than the little bottles. I'm just saying, and I ended up getting the 105 loads. So, giving you guys a heads up if you need to go ahead and do that. I also got 3 of the mouthwash because I haven't bought mouthwash at Walgreens in forever. So I ended up getting, I feel like I'm too white. Just give me a second. Sorry, I just feel like my camera screen is like whited out like crazy, and I think it's just because it's bright outside. But anyways, these were $5, so you would buy 3 of them. There is that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would get them for just $10. But then there is a $5 register reward. It does say manufacturer, where you get the $5 register reward, making 3 of these just $5 or $1.67 each, which is a pretty okay deal if you guys need to get some mouthwash. I also did the Nivea, or not the Nivea, I did the Degree women's deodorant for $4.49 at buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $6.73 for this, but then when you purchase the 2, you will receive a $4 register reward. If I can find it. A $4 register reward, making them just $2.73 or $1.36. So pretty okay deal for that. And then I also got the Colgate deal, $4.50. $4.50 together. There is a $2.50 digital coupon for each one. So you'll pay just $4 for the 2 of these, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them just 50 cents or $1 each, or $1 for both of them, or 50 cents each, which is an okay deal. So yeah, that was everything that I got, you guys. Like, I didn't get very much because, number one, I don't need a lot of that stuff because my stockpile is huge, but there's some great deals. I did do a different transaction, and I did get some stuff for Llewellyn and Gina, so I ended up getting those paw print, picture frames because they both love their dogs, and I thought this would be a cute little frame for them to have. So this was on clearance for like, I think $5.99 or something, and it was buy one get one 50% off, so you couldn't pass that up. So we are doing a Christmas exchange with them. Gina I know so well that I know her. I've hung out with her like 4 times. Like, I know her so well. We talk on the phone well, we've been talking on the phone a lot lately, but we text like every single day. So yeah, and then I found this cute little dog reusable tote, and I thought this is adorable, and I kind of want to get more of them. This was like, I can't remember how much it was. My store only had one of them, but I want to go to another store and see what else they have because this is super cute, especially for like reusable bags, and I know you can't go wrong with that. Then I ended up getting that dog mug. I don't know who I'm going to give this to. I don't know if I want to give it to Llewellyn or Gina. I just got to figure out who I have space for, but they both absolutely love doggies. And then I got Llewellyn a candle. I got her that like nice little candle. I know she is kind of like, I know her kitchen of her theme of her kitchen, and I thought this would be cute. I ended up getting the vanilla bean and coconut, which smells like, it smells like summer for me, so I thought that'd be a cute little gift for her. So I ended up getting those, but I do want to find more of those dog totes. I don't know if they're all on clearance at the other stores, but I kind of want to get another one for the other one. So that was everything I got. That is not included in my total because I ended up using register rewards that were expiring today because I didn't go couponing last week. But my total was $23.76 for the items. I ended up getting 13 points or 13 cents with Walgreens cash. With register rewards, I did receive $12. Ibotta, I did receive $3. Now, I need 3 more Ibotta rebates to get my weekend warrior of $5, but I plan on going to my grocery store later today to check out the soda deal, so I might do a quick video with that if I do that. But otherwise, my total was $8.63. Like $1.07 for each items, which I think is a pretty okay deal. I didn't go crazy. I'm just trying to, you know, help. I'm trying to share with more deals with you guys. Like, that's the reason why I do that, because for a while there, I would buy everything and anything just for a video, and I'm like, why did I buy that? And this is why I like doing that, because then I can still share with you guys, because I don't need all that stuff, but you might need it. So that's why I'm here to help you guys, and I wanted to share more ideas for you with that. But if you enjoyed my video, please make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Help me out by subscribing to my channel. You guys, I would love to have the new year where I hit my list, or my wish list of hitting 60,000 subscribers. And I'm also doing Vlogmas, which is awesome. You guys can see how crazy of a day I have. Like, I am crazy busy today, and it's only, I don't know, it's like 9 in the morning. No, it's 8 something in the morning. Also, if you guys love me, I would love to have you guys send me a Christmas card. I want to fill my entire house with Christmas cards. I do have a P.O. box below, so send me a Christmas card and I will hang it up. I will be opening all my Christmas cards that I get from you guys from my P.O. box on my Vlogmas video, so make sure you guys are checking that out. But I would love, love, love if you guys could help me out by sending me a Christmas card this holiday season to show your love. That's all you have to do, send me a Christmas card, and I thank you guys. But I will see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys have an awesome week. I hope this day gets better. It's gonna be a crappy weather day, but that is okay. I'll be working on 13 Etsy orders today. But thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.